everyone. So friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you the chapter number 2 of geography topic globe latitudes and longitudes part 2. So friends, in the last class we discussed about latitudes. Okay, so let's revise it quietly. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Okay. So here our next topic is longitudes. Okay, latitudes are measured in degrees. All latitudes are called parallels of latitudes. All longitudes are called meridians of longitude. Prime meridian is known as the main meridian because it is situated at 0 degree longitude. So friends, the latitudes are given a specified name which is called parallels of latitudes, and longitudes are also given a specified name known as meridians of longitudes. Okay. So friends, this you can see this are many types of longitudes. Longitudes are also measured in degrees and they all are of equal size. This is the prime meridian. It is the main meridian because it is situated at 0 degree longitude. Okay. This is figure that we can see it that these are latitudes, these are longitudes, and it are a specified point of location. Okay, this we can see a figure. Now let's come to our main topic. What are longitudes? So friends, in the previous picture you can see that to fix the position or to track the location of any place we need longitudes and latitudes both. These longitudes are also imaginary lines. These lines are also a reference point to situate a location. Okay. For example, we can see here that the Tonga Island in the Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Island in the Indian Ocean are situated on the same latitude 20 degrees south. Okay, to locate them we need longitude also. Okay, so the Tonga Island is situated at 20 degree latitude, and the Mauritius Island is also situated at 20 degree latitude. So to locate them we also need the longitude of that place. Okay, so now you can understand it, and these lines of references are called meridians of longitude. They are given a specified name, meridians of longitude. Okay. So here you can also see that this all are what are longitudes. Okay friends, so also we can see that the longitudes, they all are just a references line to locate the place of any. And the prime meridian is the place which is located at 0 degree. That's why it is called prime meridian. Prime meridian is situated at the Greenwich city where the British Royal Observatory is situated. So many countries were very curious to find out how many longitudes, latitudes are there. So they also started how many longitudes are there and how many latitudes are there. Okay, so now you can understand it. So friends, here you can see here is the North Pole and here is the South Pole. Okay, this is our equator which is situated at 0 degree, and the prime meridian is situated at the center point and it is situated at 0 degree. So equator is also situated at 0 degree and the North Pole and the prime meridian is also situated at 0 degree and it is situated at Greenwich in London. So please remember it, it is a main question. Okay, so now let's move ahead. So now we can see here the Greenwich city. Okay, so you can also see here where is Greenwich. The Greenwich is located at the center point where the prime meridian is situated. Here it is written the Greenwich city. Okay, so you can also see that. See friends, now we see that this is the west, this is the east side, and this is the west side. So in longitude we need the east side and the west side, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Okay, so I want to tell you that the cities or the countries which are the east side of this Greenwich city, east side, will the time of Greenwich, they will be ahead of Greenwich. This is, see, west side before, east side ahead. So let's take one example, that here is our India. It is the east side of Greenwich. Okay, Greenwich, it is the east side of Greenwich. So the difference of time, they both will have a difference in their time. The time of India will be ahead than the time of Greenwich. Okay, that's why only it is written here. See, in India you can also see that 5 plus 5.5 hours means when in Greenwich there is 12 p.m. in India, the time will be ahead. So it will be 5:30 p.m. in India. Okay, in east side, that's why it will be ahead. And in the west side, the cities, if in Greenwich there is 12 p.m. Okay, so in the east side, in this we can see here is America. So they will have minus time, they will have 11, 10, their time will be before. Okay, so now you can understand it. See, the Russia is such a big country that one local time, this time is known as the local time. So Russia does not, one local time is not sufficient for Russia because it is such a big country. That's why you can see here when partitions also, you can see this all, they made 11 such local times in Russia. Our India has 24 such local times. This America also has such local times because they are a big country and they need more than one local time. Okay. See friends, you can see here, this is our map of India. Now I will tell you what are longitude and time. Okay, so 1 hour is measured as 15 degree. Whenever India rotates 360 degree, okay, you also know that our country rotates around the sun. Our country rotates around the sun and it takes 360 degrees. So when we rotate 15 degree, the time taken is 1 hour. Okay. Now we can see here it takes 360 degree about 24 hours and about 15 degree is equal to 1 hour, and 1 degree, just 1 degree will take only 4 minutes. Okay, so now I will tell you that you also know that the Greenwich is located at the prime meridian 0 degree. Okay, so when the sun will be on the highest point, means when the sun will came on Greenwich at the top point, then all the cities, countries behind Greenwich, means this is Greenwich and all the cities behind it will have noon. Okay, so please remember it. Okay, now these are all local time. Now we will talk about standard time. Okay, then every country has one standard time. To find out, we have very much confusion in the time of trains, and we have confusion, that's why every country decided to make a standard time. Okay, so our India also has one standard time. You can see here it is the standard meridian. Our India's standard time is 82.5 degree east. Remember it because it is main question. The standard time of India is 82.5 degree east. So please remember it. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Kabir lives near a small town near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. So friends, in this an example is given that they will not be able to sleep tonight. Kabir tell to his friend Alok, okay, why? Now see the reason. Because today is the match of India and England, and the match is in England and it will start in 2 p.m. in London. So Greenwich is situated in London. England is also situated. London is situated in England. Okay. So Greenwich is also situated in England only. Okay, so this means that the match will start in 7:30 p.m. in India. Why do you think so? Because India's time is 5.5 hours ahead than Greenwich, England's time. Okay, so when the match will start in 2 p.m. the India, because you can also add up 2 plus 5.5, so it will be 7:30 p.m. Okay. India is located in the east of Greenwich, and the standard time of India is 82.82 and half degree 82.30 east. Okay, so it is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich meridian time. Okay, so it will be 7:30 p.m. It's normal. Okay. Then some countries have a great longitudinal extent, so they have adopted more than one standard time. Many countries have adopted more than one standard times. I told to you that Russia has adopted more standard times. There are 11 standard times in Russia. Then the full earth is divided into 24 time zones. It is divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Okay, so each zone cover 15 degree of longitude. Okay, so friends, if you like our video, then please like it, share to your friends, and if you don't have see the first part, you can see in my channel. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.